power plant constructed in two symmetrical wings. Therefore, we're looking at just half of our power plant. This is Nevada side. Arizona is a wing that looks just like this, but on the opposite side of the canyon. In all, we have 17 generators serving up energy to the tri-state. Now, last time we were talking about generators, they were tiny red dots on the map. In real life, that's what these big red looking drums are, and we'll think of them like we would an iceberg. We're only seeing the top 30 feet. Underneath the industrial floor, these generators extend yet another 40 feet. So where we were talking about water interacting with the turbines, we're not going to see it from here. It's happening deep within this floor. In all, each generator is 7 stories tall. Each